AO community, we have details on the next AOS release. And if you've been building inside of the AO testnet specifically with AOS, you're going to want to hear about this. We're going to very quickly discuss two new, very cool features and one breaking change. First, the two new features are the assign function and the assignment property. Both of these features are a massive unlock in AOS. For example, before when you wanted to send messages to multiple processes, you had to basically have each process inside of the chat room and then be able to send a broadcast, among other different variations and ways to do it. Now, you can send messages to multiple process IDs without the need of them to be inside of a chat room. And this honestly just unlocks quite a few different features and opportunities. For one, if I created a beta launch invite for a game in AO, I can send the access token to my beta users with the instructions on how to join that beta game, all in a single message. This is just one example of 100 different opportunities and cool things that you can now build inside of AOS. Now for the breaking change, to give you some clarity on it, it says that in the release notes that the load tag is now deprecated. To clarify, this has nothing to do with the .load function that you would typically use when loading blueprints or Lua files you've created. This is in reference to a tag that was used to communicate through an API that we used very early on in the testnet. Now, if you have built anything with this load tag at all, it's very likely that those processes that you used the load tag with no longer work, which is important to note that using the assign and the assignments features heavily improve the functionality of AOS processes. And if you have any active processes working with the load tag, that is heavily recommended to rebuild those processes with the assign and assignment feature to improve the overall functionality and reliability. And that's it for this quick update. If you have any questions about the AOS release, then you can read the release notes from the link below this video. And until next time, I'll see you in the machine.